student of class 12. Today I am starting the valuation of goodwill. This is the first session. So already girls, you know, because we have done the project on the goodwill. So first question is that what is goodwill? Goodwill is a special type of intangible asset that represent the portion of the entire business value that cannot be attributed to other income. So goodwill is a fixed intangible asset which is created by the business on account of the good name of the business. Okay, and goodwill is not inseparable from the business, because nobody can tell that suppose when why goodwill is not inseparable of the business. It is an integral part of the business because business generate goodwill. Suppose a firm cannot say, suppose A firm cannot say to B firm, okay, I am going to purchase your goodwill. That is not possible. Unless and until the one firm acquires another firm, the goodwill cannot be purchased. Clear? So, along with the firm, when the acquisition takes place, means one firm is purchasing other firm, that time only the goodwill can be bought. Otherwise, clear? So, it is an intangible fixed asset of the business. It shows the good name of the business. It shows the reputation of the business. But all the firm, they do not have goodwill. Now, coming to the types of goodwill, you will get everything in PDF. Types of goodwill, there are two types of goodwill types. One is purchased, another one self-generated. Purchased goodwill means the goodwill which has been purchased by the firm at the time of acquisition of the firm. Means suppose firm A is purchasing firm B, along with firm, when firm A is purchasing firm B, if B has goodwill, that will be purchased by A, and that goodwill will appear in the balance sheet of A. When the goodwill is purchased goodwill, that goodwill will come in the balance sheet of the purchaser firm. Who is the purchaser firm? A. So that goodwill will appear that the balance sheet of A's. Clear? Clear, the balance sheet of the purchaser A. Now thing is this, in case of purchase goodwill, what happened? The value of the goodwill is fixed. When one company or one firm is purchasing goodwill from other firm of the company, then the purchase price of the goodwill will be fixed and it will appear in the purchaser firm of the balance sheet. Clear? Now, self-generated goodwill is the goodwill which is generated by the internal partner of the business or internal member of the business. The partners who are having, suppose A, B, C, D are having a partnership firm. Now, they are running the business very well. So, in that case, they have decided among themselves that if their firm has a certain goodwill and the value of the goodwill depends on the discretion of the valuer. Means what they will fix, that is the value of that goodwill. So the value of self-generated goodwill is not fixed. It varies. This year you have valued your goodwill maybe at rupees 1 lakh. It may not be same in case of the next year. So the self-generated goodwill value varies and the valuation depends on the discretion of the valuer, and it will never appear in the books of account of the business. That is the difference between purchase and self-generated goodwill, which are very, very important for exam. Okay. Next is that valuation of goodwill. Here when the sums will come of 4 marks. Valuation of goodwill 4 marks you will sum you will get in your exam. What is that? How we will value the goodwill. Now, when does the valuation of goodwill take place? When the firm starts to value its goodwill. The valuation of goodwill appears or takes place at the time of admission of new partner. Admission of new partner, death of old partner, addition of new partner, death or retirement of the old partner, valuation of the goodwill takes place. Okay. Now we will tell what are the methods to reach the valuation of goodwill of a particular firm can be made. It is generally happening by valuation of goodwill we are talking about in case of partnership business. Okay. First method is average. What are the methods of valuation of goodwill? There are 4 methods of valuation of goodwill. First one, writing, you see. That is average profit method. Next one is coming super profit method. Number 3 is coming capitalization of super profit method. Then capitalization of average profit method. Capitalization of average profit method. Okay, so these are last one is 5th one, annuity method, which is not in your syllabus. So in this 5 ways the goodwill can be calculated. The method of valuation of goodwill are as follows: average profit method, super profit method, capitalization of super profit method, capitalization of super profit method, and last one is fourth one is capitalization of average profit method, and 5th one is annuity. Okay, in this 5 ways we can value the goodwill of partnership firm. Now, starting with the sum of average profit method. Average profit method is our first method. Write down in the copy. Average profit method. First, you have to calculate the average profit. Average profit method, first one is calculation of average profit. After calculation of this average profit will be multiplied by years of purchase. It will be multiplied by the years of purchase. Calculation of average profit. Average profit calculation will be average profit into the 4 years. Number of years purchase. So first we have to find out the average profit. Then it will be multiplied with the number of purchase, and that will be the valuation of goodwill. Okay, goodwill of a firm under this method. Now, first idea I am doing with one solution. See what is happening. A, B, C are the partners sharing profit and losses equally, agreed to admit D for equal share. So, A, B, C, they are the partners. They agreed to admit D for equal share. For this purpose, the value of goodwill is to be calculated on the basis of 4 years purchase of the average profit of the last year. So, in this sum what given, the average profit of last 5 years given, profit of the last 5 years given, we have to find out the average profit, and that average profit will be multiplied with the years of purchase. Okay, so what happened? See here, what is given? That years given 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013. Okay. Now see what are the profits given? 6,000, 14,000. Sorry, 6,000, 14,000, 20,000, 28,000 and 24,000 is the loss. I will not do the solution, you will do the solution. See how do you calculate. First we will add up all the profits. What is the profit here? It is 20 and this is 48. So total profit of the 4 year is 68. From that 24,000 will be deducted. So what is coming? 44,000. 44,000 is the 5 years profit. So what is the average profit? Average profit will be 44,000 divided by 5,000. Okay. 85 4s are 5 x are 40, again 5 x are 40, 0 0. So 8800 is the average profit. Is this average profit will be multiplied? Then how to value? How we will value the goodwill? Goodwill is nothing but the average profit into years of purchase. So average profit is 8800, year of purchase given 4. So 35,200 is the answer. Okay, this is over. So you will follow the video.